What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Man with his pants down outside school. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Let's get into it, man.
Watch how things spiral out of control when a drunken man is found with his pants down facing an elementary school.
What's going on?
Hey, mate.
You okay?
Pretty much.
Pretty much what?
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
Chris.
Okay. Do you have identification with you?
Yeah, I do, but,
All right. Just can't think of where it's at right now?
not right off the bat.
Okay. Do you know where you are?
Yeah.
Where are you?
In my car, and I'll be alright.
Okay. But do you know what city you're in right now?
Sarasota?
You're in Sarasota? Do you know what street you're on?
Yeah.
What street?
I'm sorry, man. You know, I mean,
Chris, do you know why I'm here? How long have you been parked in this parking lot? Chris?
I'm homeless, okay?
Okay. All right. So you're living out of your car?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm homeless.
Hey, do you have any medical conditions I need to be aware of? Are you diabetic? Chris, can you look at me?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Well, look, if you homeless, you ain't gotta worry about being homeless no more, man. Come on down to the county. You know what I'm saying? 3 hots and a cot, man. You know what I mean? That's it, man. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Got a place to sleep. Free electricity. You know what I mean? You good.
You know what I mean?
You all right? Can you sit up straight and look at me?
I'm sorry, you know what I mean? I'm wrong.
Chris, have you been drinking today? Have you been using any drugs?
No, because I don't do it.
Dispatch 154-274.
No drugs?
No,
Okay. Have you been drinking?
no.
Okay. Chris, step out of the car for me. Why can't you step out?
Because, you know, it'd be wrong.
Hand me the keys, Chris. The last thing I want you to do is try and put those in the car and drive away from here. I don't think you're in any condition to do
I
that.
can't do that because I won't do that, you know, officer.
Chris,
You're my friend, and I won't.
Chris, hand me the keys. 147-10-6. Chris,
No, I can't do that.
hand me the keys.
I can't do that because I'm also
Chris, you and I can keep talking. That's fine, but I need you to hand me the keys. I just need to make sure that you don't try and start the car.
I wouldn't. I would do that.
Then just hand me the keys. I'm just going to set them up on the roof while we talk. Chris, I'm trying to work with you here, man, but I need you to show me that you're willing to work with me. The way that you can do that is to hand me those keys.
I can't. I can't hurt much.
Chris.
I'm sorry.
Chris, help me understand why you're acting the way you're acting then. Because your speech is slurred, you seem very drowsy.
Yeah.
Are you diabetic?
Yeah.
You are diabetic?
Yeah.
Do you take medication for it?
Yeah.
All right. Hand me those keys and I'll get the medics out here to come check you. Make sure you're not having some kind of diabetic attack.
All right.
How old are you?
Hold on.
You're a lot old?
Yeah.
Okay. Chris, I can't call the paramedics until you hand me those keys. Let go of the keys, Chris.
No, I can't do that. No, I can't do that. You know, I can't do that. Do that. Give me the keys. Why do you have to hurt me?
Can you have fire en route for a 67-year-old white male? He's claiming he is a diabetic. When they come out here and check your blood sugar, right, and they tell me that your blood sugar is okay, what's going to be your reason for why you're acting the way you're acting? Can you pull your shorts up before the medics get here? Chris, can you try to pull your shorts up before the medics get here?
I saw him on myself, okay? I homeless guy.
So last I checked, being diabetic doesn't cause you to litter everywhere on private property with all your shit over here. Why is that somebody else's job to clean up?
No, this is a reoccurring. I looked at his most recent involvement, and it was the same thing. Parked in somebody else's parking lot with his litter all around.
What happened in that case?
They gave him a homeless packet, warned him about 34-17, and he didn't want services. Do you remember that, Chris, the last time you spoke to a police officer? I think it was last month. Can you remember that?
Yes, officer.
Okay.
Excellent.
Chris. The paramedics are going to ask me why I called them out here, okay? Have you had any drugs or alcohol today?
No.
How long has it been since the last time you used drugs or drank some alcohol?
I haven't, you know. Guys, I'm a medical officer.
Yeah, I don't believe that. But we have the medics on the way. Don't worry. I have a feeling it's something different than just some random medical episode. All right, so it's not an option. You're stepping out of the car, okay?
Dispatch to 143.
Step out. Let's go.
I wouldn't do anything wrong.
Okay, then
Signal
just
14,
move your
we're
feet
holding
onto
a
the
signal
ground.
90
Let's go.
DCF for a standby zone 8, Cornell Health.
Chris, if you don't step out, you're going to be placed under arrest for obstruction.
Guys, you know.
No, there's no you know.
I wouldn't do anything.
Step out of the car, Chris.
Let's go.
Hey, don't hurt me. Please don't
Step
hurt
out.
me.
Go with the steering wheel.
Oh, please don't hurt me.
Stop
Chris,
pulling.
step
Chris,
out.
This isn't going to end well for you.
Yeah, that officer with the glasses he gonna hit him with
Move your foot
that
out of
act
the car,
right.
Chris.
Yeah.
Chris, we've met before, so I know that you can stand.
Let's go. Stand up.
Listen, that boy with them Oakleys, this one right here, if you don't comply, he got no concerns, no worries, nothing, man. He gonna hit you with that act right, man. That's what's gonna happen, man.
Do not drop yourself. Stand up.
Chris, stand up.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
not leaving, okay?
his patience is wearing thin, boy.
I know. Chris, you can stand up or we're going to have to take you to the ground. Do you understand that? So stand up.
I love you. You're my friend. Bye.
I mean, I don't want to hurt the guy, but...
No.
Chris.
He ready to
stand
turn up,
or are you going to go on
boy.
the ground right here? Do you understand that?
What happened? No. Why?
Stand up. Stop acting like a baby and stand up.
Chris.
Yeah, he done had enough.
Why you hurt me?
Stand up. Let's go.
Hang on.
Unbelievable.
Stop pulling away.
If that's what he wants to do, then
Want to roll him? Under his belly?
yeah, let's get this door closed. This is going to take two. Chris, stop trying to pull away from us.
Let me double lock these up. You want to get that one? stand up.
Chris, ready? One, 2, 3.
Use your feet.
Florida tag, boy, William, 0. Stand tall, come back to a gray Dodge Charger.
Okay, just sit him down.
Okay.
I got him. Good.
Chris, look at me.
Chris, we know you
Chris.
can understand.
Look at me. We're not leaving, okay? If you don't want to catch additional charges, what I need you to do, we're going to help you stand up. We're going to walk you to that car. You're going to turn around and sit down into it. You understand?
I'm going to seatbelt you.
Can you answer me so I know that you understand?
Ready?
Yep. 2, 3. Ow! Use your feet, Chris.
You hurt me. You hurt me. You hurt me.
Yourself.
You hurt me.
Turn around backwards and sit on that seat. Nope.
Chris,
Sit up.
sit up. Chris, lift your feet up.
Get him up. Dang it.
We're probably going to need
Yeah.
an ambulance to transport. Chris. Chris. Chris.
Sit back. Unbuckle
Use
that
your
right
feet.
there. Hold on.
Sit up.
You refusing to get in is not going to help you.
This is absolutely ridiculous. He is acting like a big baby, man. Huge baby, bruh. Come on, man. This is crazy. Crazy to be acting like this. And I know, boy. Oh yeah, my boy frustrated, boy. Especially my boy with the Oakleys. I don't get it, man. And I wonder what he's on, because we didn't even. I don't know. What do you think it is? Do you think it's drugs, or do you think it's alcohol? Or both?
He's gonna have to be on a stretcher.
Straight.
Yeah. Do you want?
Stretch. Do we want a stretcher? We can march him and then 4 charges, or we can just get other people here and take him to jail because he's just playing.
The jail's not gonna take him like this, even if he's playing. We'll help you get into this back seat, and I can turn the AC on, and you can actually be comfortable instead of sitting here on the ground.
Yeah. You're acting silly. You were just fine in your car a few minutes ago. Now all of a sudden, just because you think it's going to get you out of jail, you want to act this way. You're just delaying the inevitable. So are you willing to act like a big boy and get into the car, or do you need to be treated like a child?
Chris, I need you to understand that no matter how pathetic you act, okay,
1075 Euclid Avenue.
you are going to be placed under arrest. Does that make sense?
You going to jail regardless.
So understanding that, if we stand you up again, will you get into this truck?
They may even be able to help us just move him in there. Yeah.
Also, what do you think that smell is like? Like, what do you think I remember when they were dragging him out or whatever, I seen the car seats were pretty much all ripped up and stuff like that, where pretty much you see the cushion. So what do you think that whole car odor, like, what do you think that odor smells like? That odor probably is foul. You hear me?
I hate to bring him out for that.
Yeah. Hey, if you want to hold off on the stretcher, we've got one more officer coming. And if we can get him in here, then
Yeah.
we're going to try to.
We can go legs first.
Yeah.
And then we'll just get. Yeah.
See manpower?
If you guys are willing to help with that.
Yeah.
All right. You like cross his legs and then lift those into the seat.
Okay, you want me to just go straight?
Yep.
Chris, we're putting you in the car.
Oh, no.
Someone goes to the other side.
I know that gotta be painful.
Chris,
Y'all
scoot
see the
yourself
way
up.
his hand is bent?
You want his feet in front of him?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. We had one on the way after,
Breaking the reliever. I mean, I don't know if you need help lifting up or whatnot.
well, we had him out.
I think that's as good as it's going to get.
If he wants to play the game.
Dispatch 154, 155, traffic crash with injuries in the heat. Four.
All good? Need some more gloves?
I've got some in the
Front of
back.
1425
Thanks,
South
guys.
Osprey Avenue, crossing Prospect Street.
No.
Two vehicles involved.
I,
We're waiting up further.
I've seen him before. He can walk.
Yeah.
It's just a game.
Oh, yeah. We're used to it.
Thanks, guys.
Made it home. All right. I'm wake up.
Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. You can use your
Made
feet
it
to help
home.
us.
Push.
Sit down.
Yep. You ready, Chris? We're going
Chris,
up
use your feet.
in 1,
2.
3. There you go. All right, put your feet up on these. I'm going to strap you in here. Chris, sit back. Come on. Act like an adult. Come on.
Dispatch ID 1986, 74.
Stop.
Acting like this. Yeah, you gonna get what you got coming to you. Yeah. COs, man. Yeah. It's a damn shame, man. You playing, bro. You going to jail regardless. Like, what's the point? Like, just like when other like not regular, but like people that ain't acting like this or whatever, when they get locked up or whatever, they still continue to fight. It's like, you going to jail regardless. It's over. When it's over, it's over. You know what I mean? Like, all right, you got me. All right, whatever. You know?
1190.
Chris, sit in the chair.
Temper.
Put your foot on the ground. Push up into the seat.
Hang on. Smokes.
Chris.
Get in the
Chris.
seat and sit regular. Okay? Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Now put your feet up on the rests. I don't think this seat will reach, will it?
He was charged with DUI and resisting an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.